Hey everyone, in this short video, I wanted to share my Python cheat sheet that I just created, and it's currently hosted on my portfolio website, so you can just go there. I will also leave the link in the description, so you can go to the website and click on this download now button. And here you'll see multiple resources that I have. So click on this download my Python cheat sheet button and it will open it in a PDF form. So here is the download button and you can just download it in your system. And apart from that, I also have it as a GitHub cheat sheet, GitHub gist. So you can just go to my GitHub profile and find it here. I will also leave the link in the description for this one too. And here it is. It has everything as we have in the PDF form. So how I created it is that it basically covers everything there is to know about Python fundamentals. And it's currently divided into 14 different chapters, starting from basics of Python to modules and packages. And each of these chapters have subtopics in them, like for object-oriented programming, we have classes, we have objects and all that. For functions, we have parameters and arguments, we have return statement. Then let's say for a list, we have 2D list and their methods. For loops, we have while loops, for loops and all that. So you get the idea. And apart from this cheat sheet, if you're interested, I also have a whole GitHub repo and it's on my GitHub profile. I will leave the link in the description. I'm saying it again and again, but you will also find the link in the cheat sheet itself. You can see for the detailed version, check out the full repo. So in the repo, we have multiple folders and it has same things, but explained in a more detailed way. Like we have different files for all the topics and we have code and all that. So it will give you a better idea. And then the final thing that I wanted to say that if you like the cheat sheet, please mention it in the comments. If you don't like it, please mention it that then too, so that I can improve upon it in future videos. And let me know if you want a crash course on Python and I'll be happy to make it. So that's it for this one. Thank you for watching and have a good day.